compliant and prescribed medication. Proper hand washing, sanitize gloves. Prepare and gather all materials. Remove my gloves, hand wash, sanitize gloves. Now on the door. Close the door for privacy. Hello ma'am, good morning. I'm Rafael, your caregiver for the day. Ma'am Nilda. Ma'am, today po magti-take po tayo ng mga medication. But before that ma'am, check lang po natin yung vital signs. Vital sign is done. Ma'am Nilda, for today ma'am, as doctor prescribed, inom po kayo ng ascorbic acid, vitamin C. 1 tablet a day before breakfast. Vitamin B complex, 1 tablet a day after dinner. Ibrox ear drop, 2 drops po sa right ear every morning for 3 times a day. Okay ma'am, aangat ko lang po kayo ma'am. Ten rights. Right patient, right medication, right dosage, right route, right time, right documentation, right to refuse, right assessment, right education, right of evaluation. Okay ma'am, ito po yung ascorbic acid yung for every morning. Assuming it's evening, ito ma'am yung vitamin B complex nyo ma'am after dinner. Naba ko lang po kayo ma'am. Assuming it's morning, the Ibrox ear drop sa right ear nyo. Pull up, 2 drops, gently massage for 30 seconds. Okay ma'am? For vital sign is done. Ma'am Nilda, iwan ko po muna kayo. Magagawa lang po ka na after. Pahinga na po. After care is done, I remove my gloves, hand wash, sanitize, document on my care.